These three habits are keeping you broke. If you're like me, I know you're tired of being broke. Let me show you the three things that you're doing on a daily basis, which are the causes of your brokenness. Hi everyone, this is Karen from my phone. Most of you already know me as your business agility and AI coach, where I help people work smarter and increase their income. But now I am also here to teach you how to grow your money smarter without stress. It's not always about working for money. How about making your money work for you as well? So if you are interested in something like that, please stay tuned by hitting that subscription button, share this video with at least 2 people, and turn on that notification bell so you will not be left out. To build real, sustainable, long-term wealth, it all starts from the mindset. It's a lifestyle, it's a culture, it's a way of thinking, just like agility. So, the very number one habit that you're doing every day that is influencing your brokenness is you save what is left as opposed to saving first. That is, when you get your pay or your paycheck, you will spend and wait up until around the end of the month to save what is left. Most of the time, you are hardly ever able to do that. So I would rather recommend, instead of doing that, how about you automate your savings? Automate a certain amount where every month this particular amount goes straight into where you're saving your money. And about savings, please stop using the traditional banking system to save your money. That's why you stay broke. At the end of the year, they will come give you some flimsy 0.1% interest. Today, as I'm speaking, it's very easy. Go and put your money in the high yield savings account. That's already a 4% interest on your money without you doing a single thing. That is what we call passive residual income. That's the real meaning of passive income, where you don't do nothing, you don't need to track anything. Every month you have some certain a guaranteed amount of money coming into your account. So that is the very number one habit. Save first before spending. So it should be the reverse. And not just saving, make sure you're putting it in a high yield savings account. If you want to learn how to do that, please just send an email and I'll be more than happy to show you. The second habit that you're doing every day keeping you broke: stop chasing fast money. To be honest with you, you see these rich people, this top 1%, they understand the game of money. They understand that real wealth is built over time. It's not an overnight thing. I'll give you 2 specific examples of chasing quick money. The day trading stuff. If you're in the money market, you understand what I mean. Show me one person that have established sustainable wealth long term by doing day trading. One. Just show me one person. That never ever works. So for you to succeed, especially in the money market, just please ditch your day trading practice and engage in long-term game. I'm talking about things like Roth IRA. I'm talking about establishing a brokerage account and you're aiming for the long term. I'm talking about putting your money in a long-term EFT, not a situation where you put it in today and then the next 2 months or 3 months you want to go grab it. It's not going to work. So that is just one example of chasing quick money and then you end up messing up and losing everything. The second one is you are always chasing every Ponzi scheme you learn about. Say for example, the LSSC thing that I hear, it's ringing now everywhere. Some people already actually know that it's a Ponzi scheme, but yet they still choose to sign up for it because they're looking to chase quick money, and that's why they end up losing everything. And we have the other category of people who don't understand that it's a Ponzi scheme. They actually think it's great, it's amazing. You're making a mistake. So that's just an example. Another example of this whole Ponzi scheme thing, Long Rich is the one that was very common, popular, especially in Africa. Most people put a lot of money in it and their money just vanished overnight. They went back to square one and then they end up with a lot of products that nobody's buying. Oh my god. So another common example of this Ponzi scheme will be 5 links. That was another one that was ringing about 8 years ago, especially in the United States and Canada, and then overnight the system crashed and everybody lost their money. So those are just a few examples of what people do because they are looking for quick money, which never works. So my suggestion to you would be engage in a long-term game. And if you want to learn how to do that, that is again why I am here for you. Reach out to me. I'm going to show you what I am doing, what I've been doing over the years, steadily and consistently, and it's been working magic for me. The last, stop thinking you need a lot of money to be able to start growing your money. Do you know even with $25 you can actually start investing in the money market? I'm talking about establishing an account in one of these money markets, say Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, all these places. With $25 you can actually get started today if you want. If you want to learn how to do that, again, reach out and I'll be happy to show you. You see, most of these wealthy people, they understand that you don't have to wait till you have a lot, because you will hardly ever have a lot. You see, you have to get started right away with the little you already have. It's really not about how much you have. It's about how you think and your willingness to stay consistent long term. That's really what truly matters. So if this was helpful, drop a comment. And I would like to know, what is the one habit you plan to start applying today out of the ones I've talked about today, or the one you've thought about? What is that healthy habit you want to start applying today that will help you get out of your miserable financial reality? And please don't forget to subscribe, because this is just the beginning. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.